of welded ball valve. Technical parameters: part, nominal diameter and standard part, from DN15 to DN300. Pressure rating, from PN16 to PN40. Working temperature, from -29 centigrades to 200 centigrades. Medium, natural gas, oil, hot water. Scope of application, widely applied to various pipelines for heat supply, city gas supply, shipbuilding, steel casting, metallurgy, power generation plants, and so on. Operation patterns: handle operated, gear operated, vertical, horizontal, pneumatic, and power operated. Executive standards: ball valves have obtained and passed German TÜV certificate and EU quality standards in terms of ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. CE PED French certificate, FFI German certificate, Russia Ghost, Sweden P mark. Our products complied with internationally recognized standards, including API 60, EN 488, ISO 7121, and ASME-B 16.34. Technical features: first, one-piece welded ball valve avoiding external leakage. Second, specially designed and manufactured for heat supply pipeline, gas pipeline, and oil pipeline. Third, the globe body is tracked and tested with advanced computers and detectors during machining. Therefore, it has very high machining precision and easy to operate. Fourth, 100% adaptation of valve body to pipes due to the use of same material. Moreover, a diversity of part connection designs is available to meet with different needs for valve connection at the port. Fifth, outstanding welding performance. Fully welded valve body made by automatic electric welding presses and a perfect leakage-proof structural design. 6. Two-way seal construction able to withstand bidirectional pressure. Two-way connection for easy installation. With 25% carbon-contained CPTFE as the material to make up the high strength. Self-lub, low-friction seal rings. The carbon Teflon seal ring and spring combination constitutes the valve seat, thus enabling the whole set to adapt to varying pressure and temperature, and guarantees zero leakage within the range of indicated pressure and temperature under the existing working conditions. 7th, 20-year warranty for valve under normal operations. Materials: valve body, carbon steel. Valve stem, stainless steel. Globe body, stainless steel. Port fitting, carbon steel. Seal, carbon Teflon. Joining ball valves. Ball valves from DN350 to DN1400 are joining mounted, as it is characterized by a fixed globe. The globe stays still when under pressure. All joining ball valves are attracted with a floating seat, and the seat moves under the medium pressure and thus presses the seal ring tightly against the globe to ensure airtightness. Usually the upper and lower spindles of the globe are mounted with bearings that have a smaller duct. This design is suitable for use on high-pressure big ball valves. Similarly, joining ball valve can also be made into a valve with an extended stem or an extended body, or the structure of nominal diameter or reduced bore. Underground ball valves. Underground welded ball valves have an extended body and an extended stem, and can be placed directly underground. Instead of a large and deep valve well that is usually required, a small and shallow well underground is sufficient for installation, so is the installation within a narrow space, therefore saving a great deal of construction costs and time. The vertical gear we develop for the first time can be closed and opened through the T-handle above the ground without under operations. This design not only prevents the potential safety misadvantages, but also is highlighted with easy operation and better performance. The prevent heat loss of flowing hot water inside. Thermal insulation ball valve has been applied with thermal insulation treatment in the factory in accordance with ISO 845 EN 488-253 and GOST standards and GOST standards, and has the same thermal insulation effects with the connecting pipe of double thermal insulation, making heat supply management easier and safer. Similarly, this ball valve is also applied to regional heat supply system. Underground valve mounted with an air exhausted mechanism is particularly designed for gas pipeline. It is easy to operate, highly safe, made of anti-corrosive materials, and therefore able to reduce the corrosion of external environments to the valve body and prolong its life.